Airtel survived the Geo storm, which was something that most people didn't.
So what they did was they started acquiring distressed asset, which is the best thing to do.
So
Like
all
what is
the-
happening in cement right now,
Correct.
Airtel did it back then
In 2015.
2015,
Crazy.
2016. So I think they acquired Telenor, Tata, Videocon, Ticona, and
So all those players that
all
were
of the
dying
players,
out.
yeah. And because of
Pretty
that, they
cool.
got their own spectrum. They got
So
their
that's probably
spectrum,
how
yeah.
they maintain market share also, right? Inorganic.
And subscriber to honge hi thode big.
Of
Only
course.
then these companies are also able to service. So
Correct.
they got the subscriber base also.
Nice.
So that was that. And then again, they started, focusing on premiumization. So they started providing value-added services, and they cut down, all the loss-making businesses. Whichever was being a burden on their cash flows or their profit, they just immediately started cutting them down to focus more on the high margin. That is why they are able to still maintain their margins. I think 33,
Incredible.
35%. Yeah.
It's incredible how they maintained that for 20 years
And
almost.
what is interesting, capital intensive है, फिर भी they are able to maintain 35%.
It's crazy. And I think for context, we should give that while they're at 33, 35 constantly, I mean, upar niche, and see, usually when you see margins not growing at all or growing by 1%, you think कि ये क्या hagu company है. But we don't take into consideration that the industry has gone through so much upheaval that it's impossible to remain that profitable, and yet they've managed that. And while the others have gone from 30% to 28% to 25% in terms of EBITDA margins. So crazy.